Why does the Flask Bool query parameter always evaluate to true? I have an odd behavior for one of my endpoints in my Flask application which accepts Boolean query parameters. No matter what I pass to it, such as asks or true or false, it is considered true. Only by leaving it empty does it become false. It seems to be that either any input is considered to be true. Is there any way to make this work with the Flask intended way of defining the type, or do I need to accept a string and compare it?
The type parameter of request.args.get is not for specifying the value's type, but for specifying a callable. Type, a callable that is used to cast the value in the multidict. If a value error is raised by this callable, the default value is returned. It accepts a callable, x. A function applies that callable to the query parameter value, and returns the result. So the code. Calls bool value where value is the query parameter value. In Flask, the query parameter values are always stored as strings. And calling bool on a non-empty string will always be true. Instead of bool, you can pass a function that explicitly checks if the string is equal to the literal string true, or whichever value your API rules consider as true-ish.
A trick is to use JSON.loads as type. It will act as a factory that will build a bool true/false from the strings true/false.
It would work properly if you use flask_resp+.inputs.boolean type instead of bool. It's explained here. This URL.
Все супер, или где-то